now listen to me. That day I told you that you can repeat, these are the Roman numbers, you can repeat I, X, C and M maximum up to 3 times. Yes? Okay. Then I told you that you cannot repeat V, L and D. You cannot repeat V, L and D. I, X, C and M you can repeat maximum up to 3 times. Whenever we write whenever there is a Roman numeral of greater value, if we write a Roman numeral of smaller value to the right hand side of that the numeral of the greater value, that means addition. For example, VI. VI means 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. But if I write I on the left hand side of V, that means if I write a Roman numeral of smaller value on left hand side of the Roman number of greater value, then that means subtraction. Correct? So like IV, that means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. After that, I told you, children, that I can be subtracted only from V and X. Okay. And it is, you have to add one word, that it can be subtracted from V and X only once. Okay, added word is wrong. I cannot say that I can be added or subtracted from V and X. No, I can add I up to 3 times, but I can subtract I from V and X only once. Similarly, X can be subtracted from L and C only once. I cannot subtract X more than once from L and C. And C can be subtracted from D and M only once. This is only for subtraction. This is not for addition. This is why we get confused today. Daksh Bacha, are you listening to me? And the other things are, Bacha, if you want, you can take a pic of this note because you do not have this with you, or if you want, you can note it down. This note thing that I am right now that I am teaching you, this thing, this I searched for you from my some other material. I or V is never written to the left of L or C. You can write it on right hand side. That means you can add I to L or C. Daksha, are you there with me? Please respond. Because Daksh, yes, ma'am. So are you understanding now, Daksh, that why yes. Was a mistake in that word that day, added or subtracted? Added should not have been there. It is only for subtraction. That is why we use LI for 51 and we also use CI. So I or V is never written to the left of L or C. It can be written to the right. And L is never written to the left of C. So these things, you know, are very, very important. Without these rules, we cannot make our Roman numerals thing. Yes, clear? Clarity on this? This is, you will not receive it from Olympiad Success. I'm asking you to make a note of it, especially number 2. If you will note number 2, the confusions will go. Number 1, so you already know.
Ma'am, I have noted it.
Very nice. Then I'll be going back to that count. Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Ma'am?
Yes, bache.
How can we minus V, then X, then I? How can we subtract Roman number?
We can never subtract V. We can never write V on left hand side of any Roman number.
But how can we minus an alphabet from an alphabet?
then you, bacha, when you will create numbers, no, the situation will be such that you will not have to subtract v. Like v is the symbol for 5. For 5, we do not write vx. No, we already have 5, v as the symbol for 5. So there will be no such situation in which you will have to use it. So you will when you will further work on counting, you will get to know that v, l and d are, there is no such situation wherein you have to subtract v, l or d anyhow. But still, why am I telling you these rules? That you should be aware that yes, such a kind of rule exists. That is why never such a situation arise. Admina, drawing nahi shuru karo. Is it done? Shall I move ahead?
No, ma'am. 1 minute.
Jaldi, jaldi.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Your 5 minutes break will not be given to you today. Because
Why?
the reason is that because I'm giving you time to note this down, no?
Ma'am.
So for today, please don't ask me break.
Ma'am, someone's annotating.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop the annotation.
Ma'am, I have a question now.
1 second, 1 second. Who is it who has a question, bacha?
Ma'am, yes, actually, I already asked this question.
Now,
That x, if when we write for 39,
39, yes.
there are 4 x which are not naturally used.
Yes. So for 39, the symbol is, this is for 30, right, Dharya?
Yes.
And this is for 9. So the correct symbol for 39 is this.
Yes, ma'am. So, actually, according to the rules, the x can only repeat it but 3 times.
3 times, maximum, correct.
Yes. So, ma'am, over here, why is it is actually followed in 4x?
Where is it? In the sheet?
No, ma'am. In the 39 one.
Wait, I'll open that up. Children, can I remove this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Bacha, then you can take a picture. Don't write. Click a pic, please. I can't wait for such a long time. Just 2 sentences, children, and you're taking so long.
Okay, ma'am, you can go now.
Okay, so Dharya, right? Dharya is saying,
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. In this one, Dharya?
Ma'am, when we write in Roman numbers, why is 39 having 4 axes?
Where is it 4 axes? Show me now. Where is it?
Ma'am, see, for 39 there are 3 axes and one, and then an I, then another X.
Yes, because IX is symbol for 9.
So, ma'am, actually there are
Ma'am.
X now.
No, Dharya, listen to me. Dharya, I'll clarify the doubt. See, how do we write 30? We use 3 X's for 30.
Yes.
How do we write 9? We put an X. X means 10. Then
Yes.
if we write I on left hand side of X, it becomes 9, isn't it?
Yes.
So together they form 39, no? X, IX means 30 and this is 30 and this is 9. So that's okay.
So, ma'am, when the rules say that
Yeah, 3, but bacha, you are correct. But there are 2 things involved. We are not repeating X 4 times in one go. I is there to break. Right? We are not saying X. No, we are saying X, IX.
Okay.
the point. Okay. We cannot continue writing x 4 times altogether. If I is in between, then yes, then we can write.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. This is
Yes.
from Daksh. Ma'am, can we write 39 as XL?
What are you saying? Repeat again. How do you want to write? You are saying x, L is 40. And you are saying to write I here.
Yes, that's what
That's wrong.
That's what I'm saying.
No, that is wrong. We
Why, ma'am?
can't do this, bacha. This is not the right way of writing this number. See, we subtract. Okay, I'll give you a reason, Daksh. We subtract a number. Abhi, I told you, I think in the rules, did I tell you that x cannot be written on left? The rule that you people were noting down, what was that rule? I closed that sheet from my end. What were you writing?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just 1 minute. The rule is V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted. V and X only once. X
What
can
was-
be subtracted from L and C once, and only C can be subtracted from D and M only once.
Okay. Now what happens, Daksh and other children, that we try and subtract something when we are using Roman numbers only if it is very, very necessary. Till the time we can create a number by using addition, we do that. Are you getting my point, Daksh?
Yes.
Okay, till the time there is no way out possible. Like for 9, I have no other way out possible. I will have to subtract 1 from 10 only, then I can get a symbol of 9. Till the time we can create numbers by using addition rule, we always do that. But when comes a situation when we cannot make a number by that form, only then we go ahead and subtract. Okay? Yes? Yeah, who is it?
Ma'am,
Yes, who is it? Speak up.
Kian,
Kian?
how do we write 45?
Okay. Now you say, how do we write 45? Wait. First tell me how to write 40. I use L for 50. If I subtract 10 from 50, will I get 40?
Yes.
And if I write V now in front of L, see, L is the symbol for 40 and V is the symbol for 5. So this is how we make 45.
Okay.
Okay. Any, Dhere, do you have a doubt in any of the numbers? You were asking me something, I believe. 450 or something? Dhere.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it is 450. How to do it actually?
Okay, okay. Tell me what is the symbol of 500?
And the symbol of 500 is
D.
the symbol of 500 is D.
D. So if I take out 100 from 500, will I get 400?
Yes.
So if I write C on left hand side of D, this becomes, CD becomes 400?
Yes.
Okay. Now your question is 450. What is the symbol for 50?
L.
Done.
Okay.
Children, always go step by step. Always. Like 450. What did I do? I first wrote the symbol for 400, then 50. Like I was doing 45. First I wrote it for 40, then 5. You can't just mix up everything and create symbol. No. Step by step. Like you do in expanded form. If I have to write expanded form of 450, what will I do? I will write 400, plus 5, 0. Like this I'll do. Similarly, we go in Roman numbers. Now, children, I am coming to the sheet with you. Okay, the sheet, the practice sheet.
Ma'am, we are
The error in this sheet, what I could make out was, no, in this sheet, that thing was missing, I think. I, X, and C are used for addition and subtraction. No, here it says, अच्छा वो इसमें है ही नहीं, which I was I think looking at some other sheet wherein that thing was missing or the error was there. Roko. Okay, what is the Roman number for 15? Abdul, Roman number for 15, quick. Abdul, Roman number for 15. 15 is 10 plus 5. So how will I write it? Yes, you can drink water, Ribanta. It is X is for 10 and V is for 5. So XV. What is it for 28, Alarika? 28.
Roman numbers for 28.
Yeah, first tell me for 20, quick. For 20, we use double X.
VI.
8, we use VIII. Yes?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
To take practice, bacha. Okay. Rebanta, could you tell me for 81? Very good, Pranavi.
It will be L for 50 and L,
Great. Yes.
L, X,
Yes.
3X means
Very
L, 3X, I.
excellent. Kian and Rebanta, very nice. Very good. Correct. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Kian, tell me for 90. Quick.
L, X,
Hmm.
X.
वो तो 80 बन गया ना?
No, I said 4X.
4x तो आप यूज ही नहीं कर सकते. Wrong. Think of another way. What is the symbol for 100? C and write X before it. This becomes 90. Good try. Very good. Okay, 280. Who would like to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Can I tell?
No. First one who said can I? Alarika. Okay, go ahead.
L, X, X, X.
Repeat.
C, C, L, X, X, X.
CC is 200. This is for 250 and this is for 280. Is this what you're saying?
Yes.
Correct. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
Who is it? Voice is breaking.
Rebanta.
Rebanta for
Ma'am, I am Rebanta.
May I?
Rebanta for 300.
Yes, triple C means C, C, C.
Correct. Pranavi for 45, please.
XLV.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can I do?
Okay. Daksh 180. Daksh 180. I will give chance to everyone on my own. Do not interrupt. Daksh, bacha, try 180.
C,
C
L,
L. Nice. This is 150. No, make it. How many times shall I write X?
X. 3 times.
Excellent. Wonderful. Okay. Now, no, Alarika, no, I already gave you chances.
Ma'am, Mukund didn't get a chance.
Mukund 78 then.
Okay. L, X, X, V, I.
Oh my God, this was the difficult one, but Mukund did it like, oh, so simple. Great. Okay. Kian, I gave you chance, no? No? Okay, Sanvi, would you like to try for 450, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, C, and L.
Bacha, we can't repeat C 4 times. Maximum we can do it up to 3. So figure out some other way. See, 500 ka symbol is D.
Yes, ma'am. I am telling you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, D and then C. Ma'am, C, D and then L.
Correct. Very good. Nice. Okay. Now coming to this one.
Then I also didn't get a chance.
Wait. Now I have enabled the annotation. So whomsoever I say is gonna put the sign in between. So first chance, there. Which number is bigger? A part. Put the sign, please. Put the crocodile mouth. Annotation is there. You can annotate. Duck, not duck, sorry. There. Question number 2, first part. Please do it. A part, do it. धैर्य है ही नहीं क्या क्लास में? धैर्य where are you?
Ma'am, how can we annotate?
Annotate नहीं पता. Okay, you tell me. I'll put the crocodile mouth. Where shall I put? Towards VI or towards X?
Ma'am, X.
Very good. Okay, Zaira, could you tell me for the B part?
Yes, ma'am.
Where shall I put the crocodile mouth?
XX.
Very good. Okay, now coming to Aradhya. Aradhya, can you please tell me for the C part?
Yes, miss.
Which is
V.
XV or XXV?
I said XXV.
XXV is the right answer. Admina for D part? CD or DC? A good one. Admina bolo.
Ma'am, it is DC, ma'am.
DC is what? Which number is DC? DC is 600. Na? D is 500. And when C is on the right, it becomes 600. Whereas CD is 400. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishan, E part. L or XXX?
Ma'am, L. Means
Very-
50.
Very good. And Mukund, F part, C or XL? You are
Ma'am, C.
C. Excellent. This sheet is done now. Okay. Now, anybody, any doubt till here, please remove the hand signs if it was for answering. If there is a doubt, ask me now. It is not that you can never ask me now Roman numbers doubt. You can anytime you can ask me in any of the classes. But is there a doubt right now? Shall I move ahead then? It is already 7:39. So I mean more than half. You need a break for 2 minutes? You need breather? Jaldi jaldi kiya.
No, ma'am.
Okay, 2 minutes breather, not 5 minutes. It's 7:39 by my watch. Be back by 7:41. Anyone who wants to go to washroom, drink water, drink milk, eat something, do it. ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे ma'am can't do like this. No, without break is wrong. चलो, go for 2 minutes break.